Morning, Jane.
Morning.
We were away, aren't we?
Yes, and we even have to do these videos when we're away, it seems.
You like it. You said to me, can we do another video this morning?
No, I didn't. I think you were dreaming.
Okay, I was dreaming, yes, okay. Look at this. That's good, isn't it?
It's really good.
We went out we arrived here yesterday. We were in Norwich City, and we've not been here before, and we had a little walk around the town yesterday. It was really nice, although it was raining. But I discovered, what did I discover?
Hi-fi shops and record shops.
2 hi-fi shops, 3 record shops, and that's where I'm going to go today because look, it's sunny. So we're going to go out there today, and I think you're going to go where?
I'm going to do some retail therapy.
With buying what sort of thing?
Whatever takes my fancy.
Okay. This is my only sort of like hi-fi thing while I'm here, apart from going to the shops today, but I bought some magazines to read, of course. But I just wanted to say, I got a little twinge yesterday when we went out. You don't know what I'm saying, do you? What's that? What's that meant to be? You're making a little sign to me.
No, not.
Oh. I got a little twinge when we went past that charity shop. Do you remember?
I don't remember.
Okay, well, in the window of the charity shop, I noticed some Wolfdale Linton speakers.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And I thought, oh, we must go in there.
Yeah, you got very excited,
I
didn't
did
you?
get very excited. You wanted to have a look at the clothes. I'm not interested in clothes, as you can see. But I went into the shop and they had actually a pair of really excellent old Wolfdale Linton speakers and an old Wolfdale Linton turntable, which I believe uses the BSR McDonald MP60 turntable. Obviously Wolfdale don't actually make the turntable, but they make everything else to go in the set, and a really nice Wolfdale Linton amplifier. Anyway, I thought, wow, even though I don't need anything like that, I thought I'll ask. And before I asked, I thought if it's going to be sort of like even up to, well, say £100, but even up to £200, yes, I think I might get it because it was so good and in such good condition. Anyway, I asked at the counter and the lady said it was £750, and I thought there's no way. And when I got home, I looked up on eBay and I could find very similar conditioned same items, and on eBay I think the speaker's £80, the amplifier £80, the turntable I think was about 120. So I thought, I mean, I'm all for supporting charity shops, and I quite often do, but that is really taking what we would call the Michael. And anyway, that's a little bit about that. I'm going to do this video very quickly now. I haven't got my stuff here to do editing. Well, I have really, but I don't know how to do it. So I'm going to do this little video now, and then maybe later on when we're out and about, you might do a little film of me going inside one of the shops and saying, hello, do you know who I am? I've got 500 subscribers on YouTube, and they'll say, get out. But anyway, that's going to be fun later on. And so that's it. We're going to go and have some coffee now, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay, so thanks very much, viewers, for watching, and see you later. Look, Jane, look, across the road, look, I found this record shop. It's just brilliant.
Circular sound.
Circular sound, and it's like record heaven. Come on in. Come on in. Look at this.
Then we need a minimum of 24 hours notice.
See?
Yeah, fair enough.
You can barely swing a cat in here,
thanks a
but
lot,
that's what makes it great. And you can.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. I'm sorry.
No, I've been blocking it for some time.
That's all right.
All right, thanks.
So look, Jen, I found,
Have a nice day.
3 records here already, and they've even got Pink Floyd, Dark Side of the Moon,
Wow.
but not the normal one, the picture disc.
Are you going to buy it then?
No, it's £50. I can't afford it.
Okay, mate.
But I did buy John Lee Hooker.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't John Lee Hooker. It was. Oh
I
God.
can't remember either now.
Oh, what did I
We
get?
have to put it out in the bag and show it.
Yeah.
Bye. And there's Gary over there as well.
what did I get?
Can't forget him.
Gary's.
Hello, Gary.
Oh yeah.
Lightning Hopkins. Look at
Oh,
that.
wow.
I've got that.
Yeah,
Right. Three Dog Night.
yeah,
There's a Harry Nilsson connection with him,
yeah.
with them, and the Trash Can Sinatras.
Oh, doesn't mean much to me.
Nice variety.
And this is Martin.
Yeah, I've just shown Martin.
Oh, all right. Well, there's
Hi
Martin.
again. Yeah, I'm the twin.
And look,
Wow.
it's just brilliant. I'm in record heaven. So we've shown where it is. We're in Norwich and we're having a great time. And after 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cut. We're back at home now. When I say home, the place we're staying for the weekend, and we've had a really lovely time, haven't we?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's been great.
it has been really good. I'm a lot more relaxed and calm now because I was so excited before to find these 3 record shops, and they were all so pleasant inside. The people were very different. The shop owners were very different, but they were welcoming. In some ways, unlike the hi-fi shops. I'm not really saying they were unwelcoming, but do you remember the days before mobile phones and computers, where you go into a shop and the person would say, "Hello."
They would have been sitting there waiting for someone to come in to talk to, wouldn't they?
Exactly. And now I've discovered they're at their computers, and you go in and I
They're
felt
probably
like,
watching people's YouTube channels.
yeah, possibly, but I felt like I had to be the one that engaged with them
Yeah.
before anything happened. I don't know. I might be being unfair, but I didn't get the feeling of being. I didn't feel like I was completely welcome. Whereas in the record shops, I felt completely welcome
Yeah.
and completely at home. But nevertheless, it was very interesting. I really enjoyed myself. I heard a magnificent Rager system in the first hi-fi shop I went into. All 3 shops didn't know what I was talking about when I was saying about I wanted a little gel stylus cleaning pad. All 3 shops did know what I meant about I wanted a little clamp to go on the spindle to clamp down the record, but none of them had one. So, that no wonder Amazon is taking over the world, because that's now what I've got to do. I've got to go and get one from Amazon. But then I came away from the hi-fi shops, went to the record shops. The first one I've just shown when we're crossing the road to go into it, but there were 2 others as well. Very different. They were all 3 were very different, but very, very friendly, very, very welcoming. I'll just show the things that I've got. John Lee Hooker, and I've got it because it's 180 gram, a good pressing. I think that's going to be lovely to listen to. Little Feet. I love Little Feet and Lowell George, and on the back cover, the artwork is very, very similar to a Harry Nilsson Sings Newman record that I've got. It's not by the same artist, but it's very similar in appearance, and it's got Bonnie Raitt on it, so I'm really looking forward to listening to that. Nils Lofgren. I've been trying to get the Nils Lofgren live LP, not this one, but one that's got, I think it's got Cry Tough on it, and it's about £120, and anyway, I can't get that, but I got that one instead for 15. Lightning Hopkins that the man from the shop got down from the top shelf for me, and how much was that? That was 30. That was the biggest expenditure today. And 3 Dog Night and Trash Can Sinatras. So actually, I've had a really good time. You bought a pair of trousers,
Yeah.
and you happy?
And some art materials.
Pardon?
Art materials.
Oh, and art materials.
Yeah.
What
Found
did
a really good shop.
to get? What did you get?
I got some lino blocks. I got some pan pastel and some oil sticks.
Very nice too. And one of these days we'll do a video of what they are. And I will pretend to be... No, actually, I will be interested. You pretend to be interested in my hi-fi. I am interested in your art. Is that fair to say?
Oh, I'm quite interested.
What, you become interested in my hi-fi?
No, not in the hi-fi, but I like looking at what records you buy.
Ah, okay, all right. Anyway, so we've had a really good day. We're going out for dinner tonight, and I'm much more calm and relaxed now that we're back at home. Thanks very much, everybody, for watching, and see you next time.